Tinnakara Island is situated just opposite the side of Bangaram Island and shares the vast lagoon and coralline banks, a small island located in the Arabian Sea, often referred to as the Jewel of Lakshadweep. It's a tranquil haven that offers a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The island has a size of only 2.3 square kilometers and is uninhabited, making it an ideal destination for those who seek peace and isolation. Tinnakara's appeal lies in its simplicity and natural beauty. The island is a canvas waiting to be explored, and visitors can revel in the soothing colors of nature and escape into a realm far from the daily grind. The mesmerizing views, serene isolation, and proximity to nature's embrace are some of the reasons why people are drawn to Tinnakara. As you step onto Tinnakara, you'll be greeted with a sensory delight. Its crystal clear waters, clean shores, and vibrant surroundings make it a paradise for peace-loving souls. It's not just a destination, it's a testament to the untouched majesty of nature. While Tinnakara may not have historical narratives, it compensates with its reputation as a sanctuary of peace. The island is open 24/7 and invites visitors to revel in the moment, breathe in the serenity, and be enveloped by the sheer beauty of existence. Agadi is the gateway to paradise, and visitors can reach the island by air. It is one of the attractions of the town. There are many reasons people like to come to here. Here, you can enjoy the sunset and the mesmerizing view. There are also other reasons like, it is away from the main city. Here you can get away from all the hassles. Also, you are close to nature. You can enjoy nature fully and enjoy a good time with your loved ones. The whole view of this place is soul-touching. Here, you can enjoy an amazing experience. The water of this beach is very clean and also the surroundings. People from different places come to visit here. That's why this place remains crowded always. In conclusion, Tinnakara is a jewel that leaves a lasting impact on visitors. Its untouched shores and vivid sunsets are a testament to nature's simple joys. So, close your eyes, breathe in the serenity, and let Tinnakara be etched in your heart as a sanctuary of peace.